Hello guys, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Today I'm gonna make a quick update. Yes, we won yesterday and it's a good news for Kaizer Chiefs to get 3 points. But as I said yesterday, the players, the coach that he made, he put in the squad, I don't think he thought about what is going to happen. Because if he thought he was going to put quick players like Ovelebai. Olilepo was supposed to sit because when he left, he got an injury. So how come he is recovered very quick like this? He was supposed to sit in the bench and then Ashiele Ovelebai. And then on the substitute, he was not supposed to put Modi because on the squads that was already there, he was supposed to put Uvelebai. And then lapha esiswini vele uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo was supposed to sit on the bench afake uMabuya noMthetho. Sike sibone combination yabo yobabili because that day ufake uMabuya and umfaka noMjida lapha athi ba lo Mjida uMatlo. And then uMatlo we know is very slow, is tall and slow, so uMabuya ube one lapha. And then well done to Vilakazi, I like the way he played, but the problem, he coach him in the wrong side. He's supposed to play as number 10. But let's wait and see what are they planning for OP College. But I think our coaches, they need to be clever. They don't have to frustrate our players, because if you unseat dangerous players like Ovelebai, Mabuya, like frustrate ukuthi bangabi ne-confidence, man. Give them confidence, give them game time. And uMonyane bafethu, I know the silver played, but uMonyane bafethu is da. Dango guys.